Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand. So I decided to hop in here to the Dollar Tree here in Smithfield, North Carolina, just to see what new things they have, whether it be a crafting item or home decor piece. And I'm really not seeing too much so far, but I'm not really looking for anything in particular either, so that may not be a fair assessment of what this store actually has. So what I'm gonna do is just turn the camera around and just let you see a glimpse of what I see on the inside of this store. As you can see, I have my mask on, even though I got a little makeup on it, because I tell you, it is springtime around here and things are active. But take a look, guys. So here are some of the wood pieces. I have no desire for them. I think this is cute. The little sun. That's new here. This little it's new here. They have washable paints. And these paints, guys, although they're not good for painting, they are good for acting as a stain. They have the ink pads. Which is good to use with the stampers. And if you're going to join me on the crafting, creating journals, what you want to do is get you some of these little pads. Let me see. You see they have little different things you can use. That's one option. Some of these paper packs is another. These squares are good for the junk journals, which I have plenty of those. And anything that you would want to just decorate your pumpkin with, not pumpkin, junk journals with. Put that back. Put that back. Put that back. You don't need it. I had to make my daughter put a thing back, y'all. This girl loves water bottles. Now here's the fun area for all of you that's going to be joining me with the junk journals. What you want to do is actually get you some of these stickers, because you can use those in your junk journals. And these little stamps are good, these silicone stamps. those are good to have. This used to be my go-to Dollar Tree. This is new here. Yarn storage container, but small. And then again, some more stickers. These are cute, these 3D stickers. And as you can see, I like using these when I'm doing Father's Day baskets. So I use these, and then I gather a lot of different masculine identified items to put in there. And guys, if you can't stand the scent of the E6000, I will encourage you to get you some of this Fix-All adhesive. This works really well. And as you can see, they have some metal drawer pulls.
Welcome to electronics.
The air fresheners don't work. And then as you can see here, they just have the ribbon. This is also good for your junk journals. And you see they have a lot of these laser cut out with the words that you can use. These pieces, I would not encourage you to get. This is not worth $1.25. Neither are these. I encourage you to go to a home improvement store and purchase them, because you can get many cuts off one large board. And then look here, the colorful gold poster board. This is new. They haven't had this thing here before. And one thing about me, guys, that you're going to learn is that I absolutely love, like, office supplies. I do. For junk journals, you can actually use an actual notebook, and I'll do that on another video, not this one that's coming up, but you can use these to create your junk journals as well. And then the pens and stuff. I don't have too many issues with the Dollar Tree pens, but they will run out quicker. These are actually good notebooks to have for your junk journals if you create them this size, as well as these little mini writing tablets. Those are good to have. I'm just looking at some of the new trays and stuff that they have here at this location. I'm just taking the day off, just enjoying myself since I'm off. And here you have this little notebook to say I'm not responsible for anything I say before coffee. I'm sorry for what I said when I was hungry. That's cute. If you have yet to get you a 2024 calendar, you may want to go ahead and get you one. I don't need any, I have several. Okay guys, so this Dollar Tree didn't have anything new that I wanted, and I'm all about starting to craft my stash, and trust me, I have stash. But I'm headed to the next Dollar Tree, guys, so it's just a day with you hanging out with me. All right, let's go.